missing someone. Love without you.
So we just landed. We're renting our car right now and we can literally pick out any of these. Which one should we pick? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Guess where we are?
We just landed in San Diego. We got the rental
car. It's so nice. We've been on the plane since we left Colorado at like what, 4?
Yeah, like 4.
And then it's 6:30 now here, but we're like an hour behind in Colorado, so we got like an extra hour, and we're gonna probably go out to dinner tonight and explore.
We're about to go check in at our hotel.
Yes.
And probably get ready and then head downtown probably. And then we have some big plans for tomorrow, so we'll bring you along for that.
Yes, stay tuned. Hi guys, we didn't even vlog when we first got to the hotel because we're a lot's happening, whatever. But now, I mean, we got ready. We look really cute, and we're gonna go get some dinner, and then on the way back or tomorrow I'll show you guys like the hotel and stuff. But we're gonna go to like this, you know, the lighting is, we're gonna go to this like Mexican restaurant downtown. It's called
King and Queen.
King and Queen, for the king and queen.
Yeah.
But yeah, we heard that's a really good place, so we're gonna head down there. We're getting picked up by a Lyft right now, so. Just ordered some appetizers. Yum! Oh shit! Wow!
Wow.
Good morning!
Hey guys.
So this morning we did not vlog when we were like getting ready and like whatever. We woke up early and then we are now on our way to Universal Studios. We're really excited, and then the ride from San Diego to Los Angeles is like 2 hours.
We're almost there though. We're like an hour away now.
Yeah, we've been driving for about an hour. I did my makeup in the car. We stopped by for some Starbucks. I got my mango dragon fruit, and he got his signature drink that he always gets, cinnamon dolce. But we are super excited. The view is so pretty. As soon as we like get closer to the beach, I want to like vlog it more and like show you guys. I freaking love it. I love it here. We like want to move here. We'll keep you guys updated. It's gonna fall off supposedly. Hi guys, little update. We are 5 minutes away from Universal. We just passed the Hollywood Out-In sign. We've been in the car for a long time. LA traffic is...
Yeah, it's no joke.
No joke.
Yeah, it looks like we got through it, most of it.
Yeah.
We're like 4 minutes away from Universal. So we'll keep you updated on that.
Yes. Oh my gosh, we're here. We just pulled in to Universal. We're about to get some parking and then we're gonna go on in.
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh. Babe, where are we?
Universal.
Universal.
In Hollywood.
It's where we belong. Hey
What's up, guys? We just arrived.
We're at Universal. The lines are kind of long. There's actually a good amount of people here, but I don't think it's gonna be super busy. I'm so excited though. We just went on the Harry Potter ride.
Yeah, we just got out of Harry Potter land.
How was it, babe?
It was.
He was
Oh my god! I
screaming.
was no. I was like, you were clenching onto my hand. I was like,
I know. I was like, I'm not trying to die. It looked too realistic.
no, it's
Oh, studio tour. That's the one I want to go on. We're
right.
going on it. But yeah, guys, we'll keep you guys updated. That's cerveza. ¿Cómo se llama? Wow.
¿Ya llegaron a Nuevo México?
Are you doing good? Just good? Good. You're doing good. Keep listen to me. Listen to me. Now listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Okay. Now closed. Robbie, get in. Get in.
What's up, guys? We just got out of the Universal tour.
It was so fun.
It was crazy.
So cool.
It's like doing a
It's so
whole nother
bad.
world, but this is fun. Y'all think she's beautiful?
All water ride. Hey guys.
What's up, guys? We're about to get on Jurassic World.
Jurassic World. It's so loud. Let me show you guys.
Using the handrails for This is Claire Deer. Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Revenge of the Mummy. Due to the intense nature of this run, all carry-on items.
So the fate of the Earth is in your hands. Take the...
Mission time. Glad I've got company. Now, put on your glasses.
You guys, we just got off. Which ride? Oh my god, I cannot be holding my phone off that ledge. We just got off the Jurassic ride, the Mummy ride, and the Transformers ride. And I think we're done.
Yeah, we're tired.
We're so tired.
It's been a long day, but it's so much fun. And
Yeah.
thankfully, we got the express pass, so we were able to ride pretty much
Yeah.
everything here.
We got to
So
cut
yeah,
all the lines.
whoever comes here, express pass is definitely worth it. Yeah, I think now we might head to Santa Monica
Yeah, we're gonna head to Santa Monica.
or the Hollywood sign. And
And then we're gonna go find somewhere to eat.
we also have a exciting trip
yeah.
that we'll keep you updated on. Has to do with some kayaks and ocean.
Gives it away. But yeah, we're excited.
What's up, guys?
Guess where we're at? It looks so nice. We're just taking pics. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at the sun. You guys, look at how freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. We're on our way to Santa Monica right now. We've been driving for like 30 minutes, but we're so tired.
Yeah, but we'll go spend the night. Or not spend the night, but we're gonna go
On the beach, asleep.
No. Yeah, we're just gonna go spend some time in Santa Monica there and check that out.
Yeah, because there's supposed to be like a Ferris wheel there and like the fair and probably like food places. So
Yeah, I'll keep you updated.
keep you updated.
To 4th Street.
We came to eat. We're at the Santa Monica
What's up,
Pier.
guys? It's been a long day.
Very long.
Yeah.
A lot happened. Like bad.
Guys,
We almost got
like,
murdered. I'm just
no,
kidding.
okay. Chill out, but we had a weird encounter with this security guy.
I swear he was not a security.
Yeah, it was just weird. But we were trying to find parking here at the Santa Monica Pier, and we just couldn't find any. And we went to his public parking, and this guy pulled up behind us, and then he wouldn't let me pull out for like
He just like
a couple of minutes,
pulled up
like,
behind us and he just stared
and
at
then
us.
like he came out of his car, he saw us, he went back in, and then he left. So we were like, oh shit.
Yeah.
So I was really
was
annoyed.
done.
I was like, we're
like,
going,
I'm done.
I'm done.
We're leaving.
Yeah, we're going home. I was pissed. We were like, no, you know what? We're already here. Like tomorrow.
Let's just make the
I mean,
day
we're
out
going.
of it.
Yeah, we're going back to San Diego tonight. So, and we'll just, go.
So we found parking and then it was just a whole mess because we thought that we were gonna get towed in every single parking spot with the meter.
Oh yeah,
turns out
parking here.
It's like
sucks.
free. So we were like, oh my god. It was just a whole thing. But
But yeah, we made it and we came to the pier and it's beautiful here.
yeah,
Now
love it.
we're at this little like.
Restaurant.
Yeah, we got some burgers. We're about to grub out.
Yeah, we're going to eat because we have a 2.5 hour drive back to San Diego. Yes. I couldn't tell you when we were in the car. You were already throwing a whole fit. But we're about to get our food. We'll show you what we get when it's ready. You guys, he literally wants me to get on this and I'm not having it.
No se raja.
And then he has to download a whole app. Sir? I already see myself falling. Face planting. Oh my goodness. Morning.
Morning, guys.
We're on our way to
La Jolla Kayaking.
We're gonna try to vlog as much as we can. Oh my gosh, we're on our way to put our stuff away because we're gonna go kayaking now. I'm freaking scared.
Yes, babe, you do all the paddling. Go, go, go. I'll cheer you on.
Left.
What's up, guys? Mira, babe, así. Cassandra's doing all the paddling. I'm tired.
Míralo. Así me gusta, Esperancita. Look how pretty. Wow, I love it. We saw a couple dolphins earlier. We couldn't really go into the caves because there's low tide.
Yeah, there's low tide, so it's like
There's so many waves.
Washing machine in there.
That's what they explained earlier. It's a washing machine. But this is nice. We were kind of nervous at first because it's the ocean.
Seals.
Yeah, we saw some seals. I saw a fish.
Oh yeah.
A little fishy. But it's been so nice. It's like relaxing.
I've been doing all the work.
As he should. Just kidding. No, but we're finally like getting the hang of it. It's going by way smoother.
Me?
I said we. But yeah, we're gonna, I think, head back to shore now.
I need a beer.
Yeah. I need a margarita. But yeah, we'll update you guys. Bye. What's up, guys? We just got off the kayaks and we're gonna find something to eat now. We got some hats.
Yeah.
They look so cute. But we're gonna, I'll show you guys what the beach looks like here in a little bit. It's so freaking pretty. Hi guys, so we came to a restaurant by the beach
Called Shoreside.
called Shoreside. It's really nice. Oh, our drinks are, never mind.
Yeah, but the tour guides recommended this one, and I think it looks pretty cool. So I think I'm about to get some tacos with my Corona,
I got a margarita.
and then yeah, we're probably gonna stay here
For
probably
a
all
bit.
day.
It's
Yeah,
already 1 p.m. Like,
yeah, we're probably gonna keep drinking, go to the beach, and
just chill. This is the food. I got a chicken sandwich, and then he got 2 asada tacos and a tinga taco. We're about to dig in. We're still at the restaurant.
we had a couple micheladas, just had a couple of margaritas. I'm drinking margaritas now.
They're really good. Really good. But
Yeah, we're probably gonna go chill at the beach afterwards.
yeah,
Walk around.
walk around, chill. It's so nice out today. We're about to go and swim in the ocean.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Just got out of the restaurant.
Couple. No, we had a couple drinks.
A couple. I'm just kidding. We're fine.
Yeah, now we're on our way back to the beach.
Yeah, we're gonna go chill at the beach for for a bit. We're at the beach. We've just been chilling for the past I don't even know. We're gonna keep track of time here. Just kidding. We got some ice cream.
Yeah, we got some ice cream. Nada el paletero.
Vino el paletero. And I
Ya
got
me
some.
acabé el mío, pero.
He just finished. He finishes so quick. He got like a chocolate ice cream. I got some rompope. We're
Got
just.
some. We made some turtles.
Let me show you guys. Guys, whose turtle is better? Mine or his? He already squished his. We were making turtles and just like chilling here. But literally, this is the life, guys. Like, it's just so nice down here, and it makes us
I took a little nap earlier.
a little nap. But it's been nice. We don't wanna leave California.
Yeah, I'm thinking of moving down here.
Yeah. We're walking on the beach side.
And it's been so relaxing. I think we're gonna move down here. Just be beach bums.
Beach bums. my freaking pants are soaked. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. It's okay. It's worth it. Look at the view.
This is why I can't have nice things.
We can't have nice things.
I'll be Honda.
Okay. Okay. Hey guys, we're on our way back to get me a mask because first of all, I lost mine I dropped mine yesterday when he was trying to get on the scooter.
Oh yeah.
I need to have a mask in a mission to go find one. And then we're gonna order an Uber back because we're pretty tired. We'll keep you guys updated and see if I can find a mask for me, hopefully somewhere. Okay, update. I got my mask. We found it. And then we got more ice cream. Now we're gonna get a lift.
Yeah, we're about to head back to the hotel and probably go shower, get ready. Then we'll probably go out tonight.
You're so tired.
Yeah,
we'll go out tonight. No, yeah, we'll see.
Yeah,
we've had 2 long days. We've been here since 9 and it's
we've been
5.
here since 9. And yesterday we went to, what was it? Universal. We went to Santa Monica. Got back to San Diego late. And now we came kayaking. The kayaking trip was tiring.
Yeah.
Especially since I was doing all the work.
Wrong.
No,
I was doing a lot too.
But it was a good time.
Yeah, it was fun. But yeah, it's definitely tiring, so we're... Hi guys, we got back to the hotel. Why is it not working? We got back to the hotel and then we just rested and then we got ready. Yeah, we were tired, but we got ready again and we're gonna be going out to eat.
We got some sushi tonight.
Look at him, fit of the day, of the night, and fit of the night. We haven't been showing the outfits that we've been wearing because we suck, but we'll do it from this point forward. Also, this is a hotel.
Oh yeah.
We literally haven't been showing anything, and the room is a mess still. So we'll probably show you guys when we're checking out. Sorry, babe, where you go? When we're checking out because you guys can't look at it right now. It's bad. It's messy. But we're about to get in the car and go get some food because we're hungry again. Came to get some sushi from this restaurant over here. This is the food. I think we ordered a little bit too much. Is it good though, babe? Yeah, it's really good. We always do this. We always over order. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We're so tired.
Yeah, we slept good today. We're about to go get breakfast.
Yeah, we're about to go eat and then get ready. Then we're gonna go. I think we're gonna go on like a walk by the beach.
Yeah, there's pretty really cool trails here. So
Yeah. Just got our food. Yum. Okay, literally we just packed because we're leaving, but I'm gonna show you guys the hotel really quick. This is the little mirror. My lovely boyfriend. And then the view. There it goes. It's like really pretty mountains. Yeah, nice little couch. And then just the bathroom. So that was the hotel, and now we're about to head back down and check out. Sadly, we're really sad we don't want to leave. We're probably gonna go to the beach again just to like walk around a little bit before we leave. Our flight today takes off at 6:30 and we have to return our rental at
like 4:30.
4:30. So sadly our days ended.
hopefully, I'm sure we'll be back. Sunday was beautiful.
Yeah, we'll be back for sure. All right, guys, we decided to come. Oh my God, focus. We decided to come to Mission Bay. I think that's what it's called. Surfrider Bay, something like that. But there's like roller coasters and games and stuff, and I think there's like places to eat.
Yeah, so our last hours are in San Diego. We're gonna spend them here. And it looks pretty fun.
Yeah.
Right by the beach. It's like a little amusement park.
Yeah.
So
And it's like beachside, and I mean we're probably gonna get some brunch.
yeah, there's a ton of restaurants here. And
Yeah.
so we'll see.
So yeah, we will update in a second. Hey guys, we have been chilling for like the past hour, and now we're eating bomb food by the beach. I think we're gonna accidentally forget that our plane is leaving today, so we can stay longer. But no, we're having a good time. Our final couple hours that we're here. Sad.
When them drinking though.
Hi guys, little update. We're still chilling. We just ate.
10 beers.
Yeah, I had it's like a salad. I don't know if you guys can hear me. There's a band literally right behind us.
They're about to have a show here, but it's beautiful out here.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Had a couple margaritas, a couple trees by now, and
We don't want to leave.
yeah.
It's like the perfect day, perfect weather.
I'm in love with San Diego. I love.
I'm in love with you.
What's up, guys?
We're right by the beach once again. Literally leaving in like 30 minutes.
Yeah, we're about to head back to the airport. Pretty sad. We're actually thinking we were about to book a book a new hotel, change our flight.
Yeah. But
We
we can't.
Yeah, we have to go back now.
We have to face reality.
It's been a great time here.
Yeah, it's been super fun.
San Diego's beautiful.
So pretty. We have to go return the car now and we got some churros. We're sad. We're leaving. Look at the roller coaster. Alright guys, we left the beach. We're getting some gas for the car that we rented because we have to turn it in with the full tank. We're gonna head to the airport.